Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G34 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to stop auto screen rotation in your phone Moto G34. Here I go to any app. So I open Google Chrome and try to rotate my phone. Screen is rotated from portrait to landscape. So if you want to stop this auto screen rotation, go to the notification area and click on auto rotate button. Here auto rotate button is turned on and you go to turn it off. Just click on it and it will turn it off. It will turn off. And now go to the same app, Google Chrome, and try to rotate your phone. Screen will not be rotated. So screen rotation is stopped. Okay. If you want to have auto rotate, then you have to turn on auto rotate button here. Okay. Now see here, it is rotated. In the landscape itself, if you turn off, it will just turn to the portrait. Okay. So in this way you can easily turn off auto screen rotation, or if you really need it, keep the auto rotate in turned on. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.